choose. I want to choose. Choose! I want you to choose! Let's spin again. Okay, guys, I have to drag this trash can all the way to the gate. Let's see how fast I go. 3, 2, 1, go. So I got a little wet, so let's go do my turn. Let's go. I really hope that I don't get this one though, because I don't want Ryder to throw a big bucket of water on my head. Am I gonna get? I'm waiting. No! Super embarrassing. It's Ryder's turn now, so I wonder what he gets. I hope he doesn't get the water one. Let's see how fast I can smash these cones. Are you ready? I hope I get boxes. That's what I'm hoping for, or the squeaker toy. Okay. Yes, the squeaker toy! What? Yes! Guys, look how big that tower is! I can't wait to do it. Let's go! Yeah! Watching this video, subscribe, like, and share, and click the subscribe button. And I didn't really like the water.